Katie Trey 5, follow me here. You're a weak ass, candy ass, flopping. You need vaginal reconstruction surgery, twig boy. You can eat a big bag of like your butt buddy Curry. Yourself, you cheat. That's a lot.
Bradley Beal looks like if Usher had someone sit on his head while he was a baby. Thank you.
Dirk Nowitzki looks like his sweat smells like mop water and Chihuahua. I don't think I heard that one before, so props to my guy. That was good.
Steve Ballmer and the entire LA Clippers organization can all go suck on a fat one.
I can't listen to Joel Embiid interviews. 2 seconds in, I want to glue my ears shut. Well, let me know when you're able to speak 4 languages, dumbass.
Charles Barkley is so fat, he put his belt on with a boomerang. That's not funny at all.
Ben Simmons looks like he's holding in a fart every time he passes the ball. Maybe I am. Drew Holiday nuts. Okay.
Before I go to sleep, I just want to say, Paul George. Your good sleep, your dreams, your job when you wake up. Go to work.
Chris Bosh talks like a white guy named Dennis.
Toronto needs to get rid of Kyle Lowry ASAP. If I have to watch that fat attempt to take a 3 one more time, I'm jumping off a building. Oh, wow.
Kemba Walker has the name of a post player and the body of a circus. Okay.
Karl Anthony Towns look like he's yawning when he yells. Yeah, because I'm tired of dealing with your.
Danny Green and I have a lot in common. Namely, that we both suck at basketball.
Chris Middleton just got hit in the head so hard his eyes got ungoogly.
No, they didn't.
If Brooke and Robin Lopez are twins, then why is Robin the only one that sucks ass?
Because I'm adventurous in the bedroom.
Oh.
If you like that video,